Hello students, welcome to yet another session of political science. We were discussing about the chapter challenges to and the restoration of the Congress system. So earlier we were discussing about the presidential elections of 1969. Now let us discuss furthermore about the elections of 1971. See children, because of the split in the Congress party, what had happened? The government of Indira Gandhi had decreased to a level of minority, and moreover she had to take help from other political parties like the Communist Party of India and the Dravid Munnetra Kazhagam party, that is the DMK party. And this contest of elections was a great issue for this political party of Congress now. Why? Because Congress had been already divided into two sections and Indira Gandhi was left out with the sole leadership. So it was solely her responsibility to come up with a strategy to win this election. Now, another important thing, that the Congress had formed an electoral alliance with other parties who were opposing Congress R, and this opposition was known as the Grand Alliance. This Grand Alliance had political parties like Samyukt Socialist Party, PSP, Bharatiya Jansangh, then Swatantra Party and the Bharatiya Kranti Dal. They all came together and they were working on the strategy on opposing the Congress party leading or being led by Mrs. Indira Gandhi. So, Indira Gandhi came up with the strategy of abolition of Privy Purse. I had told you in my previous video also, and she continued this policy and named it as Garibi Hatao, and moreover she came up with other ideas, like she started a support base for the disadvantaged, especially among the landless laborers, Dalits and Adivasis, minorities, women and unemployed youth. So her slogan Garibi Hatao became quite relevant in comparison to that slogan given by her opponents, that was Indira Hatao. The people could connect to Indira Gandhi way more further than they could connect to the other political parties who had made this grand alliance. So what happened? During the conduction of elections, Indira Gandhi was successful in making a grand victory because of her solid agendas that she had come up with. People really liked the idea of Garibi Hatao and they supported Indira Gandhi wholeheartedly. So the Grand Alliance that was standing in the opposition had proved to be a grand failure. So this is what had happened during the contest of elections, and this is what the outcome was of the elections. So what was the Grand Alliance total? They had merely somehow able to attain 40 seats, less than 40 seats in these elections. So it was a grand victory for Congress party. Soon after the elections of 1971 Lok Sabha, what happened? Elections at the state level were also being conducted, and here also Indira Gandhi and Congress party had a remarkable victory here. So she was almost back in the game where she had nominal chances of winning. So this coming back or this restoration was actually a reinvention of this political party of Congress led by Srimati Indira Gandhi, because she had proven that how skillfully she had managed all the issues. Moreover, during the conflict of India Pakistan, that is, on the issue of East Pakistan, present day Bangladesh. Indira Gandhi had led the country in this war also. So here also she had proved that how worthy she was, and what level of statesmanship she had hold on. So on all areas basically she had proven that she was a very good leader, and she knew how to handle the issues and how to handle the people. So moreover, another thing that importantly we have to know in this restoration is that the weak organizational structure which was being expected to collapse had made a grand victory, and here Indira Gandhi was the whole and sole pillar of this new Congress party. Moreover, she had succeeded in winning the faith of the people as well as the trust of the people. So, very successfully, she came out of this political crisis and marked her unprecedented victory. Thank you.